Hello, Namaste. It's me, your English teacher, Baburam Adhikari. Let's start our today's class. Good morning, class 9. How are you all?
We are fine, sir. And you, sir?
I am also fine. Thank you. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, have you done your yesterday's homework?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what was our yesterday's lesson? What was your homework? Let me check your homework. Show me your homework. We learned Unit 5 yesterday, and our homework was assigned for grammar exercises too. Yeah? Did you complete all? Did you complete or not?
Yes, complete.
Okay, thank you all of you. I will check it at the end of this class. Now, I am going to start today's lessons. Okay, what is our lesson today, you know? Do you know, students? What is our lesson today? What are we going to read today? Okay, let's see the screen. Your lesson is Unit 5, Reading 2. What is the topic? A letter of apology. Today I am going to present, okay, this lesson with our presenter. Okay, so let me start our class. Okay. Okay. Welcome all of you in today's class. Now I'm going to start today's lessons. Before we start our lesson, we have to warm up. Okay? What are we going to read? Let's see this text and images and guess. What are we reading today? Please look at here. Give a look on the screen. What do you see in the picture? Our topic is a letter of apology, and it's reading 2. And there is an instructions. Do you agree with the following statements? Discuss A and B. Read the questions. Can you read yourself? A is apologizing doesn't always mean you are wrong and the other person is right. Do you agree? Yes or no? Do you agree on this statement or not? Next is great people apologize when they realize they have made a mistake. ठुला ठुला मानिसहरूले जब आफूले गल्ती गर्छन् नि अनि त्यो महसुस भइसकेपछि उनीहरूले त्यो गल्तीलाई स्वीकार गर्छन्। तपाईहरुलाई यो कुरा स्वीकार्य छ? हो कि हैन? Yes, okay. Great people apologize when they realize they have made a mistake. Then, have you realized or not your mistake? तपाईहरुले पनि आफ्नो गल्ती स्वीकार गर्ने गर्नु भएको छ? Yes, okay. Now, let's go to the thinking activity, okay? You have to think. Imagine that. Kalpana garनुहोस्. What major events can disrupt an airline's travel schedule? What do you see in the picture? Here is a big picture of an airplane, okay, named JetBlue. Okay. Now you link the picture and this imagination activity. What major events can disrupt an airline's travel schedule? Flight manager मा के कुराहरुले चाहिँ डिस्टर्ब गर्न सक्छ भनेको. नेक्स्ट गेस गर्नुस् है यसको आन्सर के हुन सक्छ भन्ने. You might guess yourself, okay? के कुराले चाहिँ फ्लाइट म्यानेजमेन्टमा डिस्टर्ब हुन सक्छ. Guess, okay? Then what do you expect a company to do when their customer service fails completely? कुनै कम्पनीहरुको सर्भिस कम्प्लिटली पूर्ण रूपमा फेल भयो भने, सर्भिस दिन नसक्ने अवस्था सृजना भयो भने, ओके, तपाईले के आशा गर्नुहुन्छ? त्यो कम्पनीले के गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने ठान्नुहुन्छ तपाईहरु? प्लिज गेस इट. पैसा रिटर्न गर्नुपर्छ हैन? जरिवाना दिनुपर्छ भन्न खोज्नु भयो? यस? They should be fined. Oh, good idea. Others, do you have any more ideas? What should they do? उनीहरुले के गर्नुपर्छ सर्भिस दिन सकेन भने? For example, okay, if you booked a ticket of bus while traveling from one village to another village, then the bus is completely misfunctioned. In that case, what should you expect? तपाईं के आशा गर्नुहुन्छ? तपाईले टिकट काटेको गाडी बिग्रेर त्यो गाडीमा चढ्नै पाउनु भएन, यात्राले रोकियो. अब तपाईं के आशा गर्नुहुन्छ त्यो गाडी मालिकसँग, गाडीको कम्पनीसँग? You guess yourself, okay? Such kinds of guess you have to prepare your mind. Now the next activity is, have you ever had to write or receive a written apology? तपाईहरुले कहिले के गल्ती गरेर कसैलाई apology letter लेख्नु भएको छ? Is the picture showing to us? This is writing an apology. Okay, this picture shows us it is writing an apology. Okay. Now, before we start the text, okay, we start our lesson, we have to know what we learn from this lesson, from this text. That means what we learn. It is learning outcomes, okay, of this lesson. Read David Nilam's apology letter and understand the main reasons for the JetBlue operational crisis. Okay, our text is about an apology letter written by David Nilam. Okay, and then we have to read and understand the main reasons. What to understand in this lesson? The main reasons for the JetBlue operational crisis. Okay, what are the operational crises on that JetBlue? Vocabulary challenge. Okay, every lesson, every reading text has vocabulary challenges that we have to face in each and every lesson. Like here in this text, we have the word like disrupt, hinder, crew members, and emerge, and so on. Okay, those words are highlighted in your textbook also. Many more words are there that we have to learn in this lesson. Next is we have to do some activity at the end, okay, of this lesson. That is, we have to share our travel mishap experiences with classmates and write structured comprehension answers in English notebooks. At the end of this lesson, of this class, we have to share our experiences of mishap. You know, mishap means catastrophe. Okay, disturbances. Okay, to understand very clearly, mishap means disturbances in our event. Okay, now let's see this picture and guess what is this? What happened here in this text? It's the picture. The picture shows us the mishap in the aircraft. Okay, in the airplane. Okay, or you can say in the airport. Okay, so mishap has happened. Mishap भन्ने के रहेछ? Disturbances. केही कारणले अथवा केही समस्याहरू सिर्जना हुनु चाहिँ के हो? mishap. Okay, your picture ले हामीलाई के देखाउँछ भने something wrong has happened here in the airport. Let's see. Now we go to the text. Let's see your book text. Okay. Now you have to read this text very carefully and you have to remark those learning outcomes that I have shown you before. Okay, I have shown you 3 learning outcomes from this text. What are those? 3 learning outcomes. One is the reasons of that catastrophe or the mishap. Second is vocabulary challenges. Okay, तपाईहरुलाई सबभन्दा पहिला त यो के कारणले यस्तो खालको मिसअप सिर्जना भयो भन्ने कुरा यो पढेर थाहा पाउनु पर्छ। दोस्रो कुरा तपाईहरुले टेक्स्ट पढिसकेपछि vocabulary challenge फेस गर्नुपर्छ, यो वर्डहरुको मिनिङ जान्नुपर्छ, याद गर्नुपर्छ। अनि तेस्रो कुरा चाहिँ this kinds of mishap happen भयो भने तपाईहरुले के गर्नुहुन्छ? यो कुरा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले शेयर गर्न सक्नुपर्छ साथीहरुसँग। ओके, अथवा अरु कोहीसँग। Okay, after running this lesson, you have to do that things. They are all learning outcomes of this lesson. Okay, can you read anyone this paragraph? Regina, please read one paragraph to friends. What has happened? Little bit loudly, please.
We are deeply sorry. Last week was the worst opportunity we in JetBlue 7-year history. Our customer should schedule to be on one of our flights during this period. We now to down blowing the seven ice storm in the northeast. We subjected you to unexpectedly delays, high
Cancellations.
lost baggage,
Lost baggage.
other major.
Thank you. Very good. Sit down. Okay. Okay. Let me continue from there. Okay. What has happened in the first paragraph? The storm disrupted the movement of aircraft and more importantly disrupted the movement of JetBlue's pilot and in-flight crew members who were depending on those planes to get them to the airports where they were scheduled to serve you. With the busy President's Day weekend upon us, rebooking opportunities were scarce and hold times at 1-800 JetBlue, okay, it's the name of the company, were unacceptably long or not even available, further hindering our recovery efforts. In this first paragraph, okay, the background of the mishap is given, the background of the catastrophe is given, and why was the mishap happened. The main reasons is given there. Okay, you see some lines. Okay, the storm disrupted the movement of aircraft and more importantly disrupted the movement of the JetBlue's pilot and flight crew members. What has happened is mentioned in these lines. Okay, next is when it was happening. Let's see, with the busy President's Day weekend upon us. This means when was that mishap? When was that catastrophe happened? Also mentioned here. Then where is it's in the northeast. You see the severe winter icy storm in the northeast. Northeast is the place that took place, that mishap took place, that catastrophe took place. Okay, these are the major things you have to find out from this first paragraph. Okay, let me go to the next one. Words cannot express how truly sorry we are for the anxiety, frustration, and inconvenience. What might be the meaning of inconvenience? Let's see here. Trouble or problem, especially concerning what you need. Okay, if our necessity was not completed, that situation is inconvenience. Okay. Then that you experience. Okay, this is especially saddening because JetBlue was founded on the promise of bringing humanity back to your travel and making the experience of flying happier and easier for everyone who chooses to fly with us. We know we failed to deliver on this promise to you last week. Okay, this is the apology. Okay, this paragraph expresses the apology. You know what apology means? Sorry. Okay, here is the statement stating the sorry lines in this second paragraph. Okay, because the company has promised for bringing humanity back to your travel and making the experience of flying happier and easier for passengers, but it was not done during this mishap, during this weekend. Because what causes this mishap? What causes this mishap? The severe winter icy storm disrupted the function, the operation of the aircraft that causes the mishap. Okay? This means in second paragraph you can find out the statement of apology. Okay? And the broken promise. And let's see the next slide. We have begun implementing immediate corrections as part of a comprehensive plan to provide better and timelier information to you. More tools and resources for our difficulties in the future. We are confident as a result of these actions that JetBlue will emerge as a more reliable and even more customer responsive airline than ever before. Okay. Now these lines support the passengers. Okay. They realize and they give promise or they give orders for better services in the coming future. Okay. They give the notice, information to the passengers. Okay. For their mistakes, and they promise to do better in the near future. Most importantly, we have published the JetBlue Airways Customer Bill of Rights, our official commitment. Okay, what have they published? The JetBlue Airways Customer Bill of Rights was published before. Okay, our official commitment to you, how we will handle operational interruptions going forward, including details of compensation. What will we do if such kinds of mishap had happened? That was clearly written in our Customer Bill of Rights. So we are going to complete that oath of promise, they say. Okay, I have a video message to share with you about this industry leading action. Okay, this time, in the time of catastrophe, in this time of mishap, okay, I am going to give you a video message from social media or something like that, okay, and communication media. Okay, that they promise, the CEO of this aircraft promises the passengers that they are going to recover the loss of the passengers. What did the passenger loss? के कुरा गुमायो? उनीहरूले समयमै यात्रा गर्न पाएनन् होला हैन? अरु कतिको पैसा महँगो टिकट लिएर म्यानेज गरेको टिकटहरु खेर गयो होला हैन? कतिलाई त रिस उठ्यो होला प्लेन नचल्दाखेरि थाहै नपाइकन, right? Such kinds of inconveniences was occurred. You deserved a lot better from us last week. Nothing is more important than regaining your trust, and all of us. I hope you will give us the opportunity to once again welcome you on board and provide you the positive JetBlue experience you have come to expect from us. The last lines, tell us that they are again going to recover these kinds of all losses, and they will continue soon. They will continue this operations as far as possible. This lines states those things. And finally, who is David Neeleman? Say, who is David Neeleman? Can you say who is he? He is the founder and CEO of JetBlue Airways. Founder of CEO of JetBlue Airways. This means the chief person of this company, JetBlue company, who writes the letter of apology to their passengers, to their customers. आफ्नो ग्राहकहरुलाई, आफ्नो यात्रीहरुलाई लेखेको यो apology letter हो. कसले लेखेको रहेछ? Now किन लेखेको रहेछ भन्ने कुरा पनि I hope you understand this. बुझ्नु भयो कि छैन? Now words to know. के रहेछ हेर्नुस् त? To make it difficult for someone to continue in the normal way. Crew member means all the people working on a single plane or aircraft. In this text, people working in the plane or aircraft. And then hinder means to make it difficult for somebody to do something. If somebody makes something difficult, that is hinder. The action is hindered. And inconvenience, trouble or problems, especially concerning what you need. And emerges to come out of a dark, confined or hidden place. If something comes out, suddenly from the dark place or somewhere from hidden place, that means immerse. Now, do you see something here inside the parenthesis? What is this indicate? What does this indicate? B, N, B. This is what? Can you tell me? What does the B stand for? The classification of words, parts of speech. This means it is verb word. Which word? Verb word. N indicates noun word. Parts of speech. Now after reading this text, let's see. To make your text more clear, you have to study this picture. तपाईं के देख्नुहुन्छ पिक्चरमा हेरेर के जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई भन्नुस् त? What do you see in the picture? के भइराछ प्लेनमा हेर्नुस् त? त्यो एयरपोर्टमा के भएको देखिन्छ? Please tell me what you see in the picture. यो पिक्चरमा के देखिन्छ त्यही भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ के? What do you see? Very good. वर्षा भइरहेको हैन? बादल कालो बादल बढाइएको जस्तो, चट्टान परिरहेको जस्तो, ठुलो हावा हुरीले वर्षा चलिरहेको जस्तो देख्नु भएको छैन? हो, यसले गर्दा प्लेनहरु के छ? जहाँको चाहिँ जाम, बाहिरबाट आएर बस्न सक्दैन, त्यहाँ गएको उड्न पनि सक्दैन। यस्तो खालको सिचुएसन त्यहाँ चाहिँ के भएको छ? सिर्जना भएको छ। त्यसैले गर्दा जेट प्लेन CEO ले एयरवेज को CEO ले चाहिँ लेटर अफ एपोलोजी लेख्नु पर्यो आफ्नो पेसेन्जरलाई कि तपाईहरुलाई हामी उडान भर्न असमर्थ भयौं भनेर सरले लेखेको भएको टेक्स्टमा। यस्तो अवस्था सिर्जना भएकोले। डु यु भिजुअलाइज दिस पिक्चर? तपाईहरुलाई थाहा भयो किन एपोलोजी लेख्नु परेको रहेछ? डेभिड नीलम्यानले किन? Because of such kinds of situation, that is not in your text. तपाईहरुको टेक्स्टमा नभएको पिक्चर यहाँ मैले देखाएको छु। प्लिज भिजुअलाइज दिस। नाउ what are the extreme weather crises? Catastrophe means crisis. Extreme भनेको एकदमै ठुलो क्राइसिसहरु, समस्याहरु, बाधा व्यवधानहरु के छ टेक्स्टमा? लेट्स सी, फर्स्ट वान इज द स्टर्म। आइस स्टर्म भनेर पढेको के लेभल हो? आइस स्टर्म, हिमपात। ठुलो आँधी हुरी सहितको हिमपात छ पहिलो वेदर क्याटास्ट्रोफी चाहिँ। A massive winter ice storm hit the northeast United States. अमेरिका को नॉर्थ ईस्ट को एयरपोर्ट में चाहिँ के हिट गरेछ? म्यासिभ ठुलो विन्टर आइस स्टर्म, जाडो याममा पर्ने हिमपातले चाहिँ एयरपोर्ट जाम भएको छ, बन्द भएको छ। एन्ड नेक्स्ट and that causes operations and causing cancellations over the President's Day holiday weekend. यो President's Day holiday weekend मा भएको यो खराब मौसमले चाहिँ सबै उडानहरू के भएको छ रद्द भएको छ र त्यो एयरपोर्टमा ओके काम गर्ने सबै कर्मचारीहरू पनि काम गर्न नसक्ने भएर प्यारालाइसिस भएको छ ओके यो चाहिँ के हो एक्सट्रिम वेदर क्याटास्ट्रोफी हो नेक्स्ट द क्यास्केड व्हाट इज क्यास्केड क्यास्केड भनेको चाहिँ के हो ओके वान आफ्टर नेक्स्ट एकपछि अर्को के घटनाहरू भयो त्यहाँ हेर्नुहोस् त द स्ट्रम डिस्टर्बटेड फ्लाइट्स क्यारिङ पाइलट्स एन्ड क्रू मेम्बर्स ओके पहिलो कुरा त यो आधी हुरीले स्टप भनेको आधी हुरीले ओके फ्लाइट्स भनेको उडानहरू के भयो पाइलट्स र क्रू मेम्बर्स काम गर्ने मान्छेहरूलाई काम गर्न सक्ने अवस्था सिर्जना गरिदियो जुन चाहिँ तालिका थियो उनले उडान भन्ने तालिकाहरूमा उड्न पाएन एन्ड एयरक्राफ्ट स्याट रेडी इन एयरपोर्ट प्लेनहरू सबै उड्नको लागि एकदम तयारी अवस्थामा छन् पिक्चरमा हेर्नुहोस् त तर विथ जिरो स्टाफ टु अपरेट देन भनेको तर के छैन त्यहाँभित्र पाइलट र क्रू मेम्बर्सहरू स्टाफहरू जान सक्ने अवस्था चाहिँ छैन लुकेर बसिरहेको छ आफू सुरक्षित हुनको लागि ओके अब यस्तो अवस्थामा प्लेन उड्न सक्छ सक्दैन ओके सो टोटल अपरेसनल प्यारालाइसिस भनेको सबै कार्यहरू त्यहाँ हुनुपर्ने एउटा एयरपोर्टमा हुनुपर्ने कामहरू सबै के भएको छ प्यारालाइसिस भनेको नचल्ने अवस्थामा काम नहुने अवस्थामा पुगेको छ ओके नेक्स्ट लेट्स सी दिस आर द एक्सट्रिम वेदर क्याटास्ट्रोफी ओके नाउ व्हाट वेन्ट रङ के कुरा चाहिँ गल्ती भयो त त्यसले गर्दा त्यो एयरवेजको सिइओले हामीलाई अथवा कस्टमर्सहरूलाई चाहिँ एन्ड एपोलोजी लेख्नु पर्यो मलाई भन्नुहोस् त के भएको रहेछ वर्स्ट अफ द विक खराब हप्ता अथवा त्यो समय भन्छ सबभन्दा खराब समय के कारणले गर्दा खराब समय भयो त सेभर आइस स्टर्म्स सेभर भनेको के होला एक्सट्रिम ओके ठुलो हिमपात अथवा आधी हुरी सहितको हिमपात भन्छ आइस स्टर्म भनेको अनएक्सेप्टेबली भनेको चाहिँ नसोचेको समयमा है ओके द्याट लङ डिलेज लस्ट लगेज के भएछ त उडानहरू ढिला भए रोकिए लस्ट लगेज मानिसहरूको झोला आगो पनि कहाँ छ थाहा छैन हराए ओके एन्ड सडन क्यान्सेलेसन भनेको चाहिँ आकस्मिक टिकटहरू रद्द गरियो ओके कार्यक्रमहरू पनि रद्द गरियो भनेको चाहिँ यति धेरै कुराहरू गल्ती भयो पेसेन्जरहरूको भयो ओके नेक्स्ट सिस्टम फेलियर्स अर्को के भएछ व्हाट डु यु मिन बाइ सिस्टम फेलियर्स रिबुकिङ अप्सन्स बिकम स्कार्स ओके रिबुकिङ अप्सन भनेको फेरि पुनः टिकट काट्ने सिस्टमहरू पनि के भयो स्कार्स भनेको अभाव नसकिने भयो काम गरे छोडे मान्छेहरूले कम्प्युटरहरूमा चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ फिजिकली टिकट काट्छौँ चाहिँ कम्प्युटरबाट अनलाइनबाट काट्नुपर्ने हुन्छ त्यो कम्प्युटरहरूको अनलाइन सर्भरहरू सबै डाउन भयो मान्छेहरू के भयो होला किन टिकट बुक भएन किन रिबुक भएन भन्ने मान्छेहरू आत्तिनु भयो कम्प्लिटली लक यो हेल्पलाइनहरू पनि सबै बन्द भयो कसैले पनि फोनहरूमा उठाएर फोन रिप्लाईहरू गर्न सकेन कस्टमरहरू तर त्यसले गर्दा कस्टमरहरू चिल्लीबिल्ली भयो के भयो भनेर डराए है ब्रोकन प्रमिस भनेको जेट ब्लू एयरवेजले जुन प्रमिस गरेको थिएन हामीले टेक्स्टमा पढेका थियौँ यु रिमेम्बर के प्रमिस गरेको थियो हेर्नुहोस् त जेट ब्लू वाज फाउन्डेड टु ब्रिङ ह्युमनिटी ब्याक टु ए ट्राभल ओके हवाई जहाजमा चाहिँ हामी मानवतालाई चाहिँ के गर्छौँ भनेको थियो उनीहरूले चाहिँ ओके मानवीय स्वभावहरू बिहेभहरू गर्छौँ देखाउँछौँ भनेका थिए जुन कुरा उनीहरूले गरेको बाचा कम्पनीको स्लोगान हो यो हामी यस्तो खालको सेवा दिन्छौँ भनेर जुन बोलेका थिए त्यो कुरा पुरा गर्न सकेन त्यो पनि गल्ती भयो कि भएन कम्पनीको नेक्स्ट के भयो path forward जेट ब्लू introduce operational improvements and published an official customer bill of rights ओके अर्को कुरा चाहिँ ओके केही भयो भने हामी पुनः जिम्मेवारीले क्षतिपूर्ति सहित दिन्छौँ भनेर चाहिँ कस्टमर बिल अफ राइट्सहरू पनि प्रिन्ट गरेर मान्छेहरू दिने गरेका थिए तर आज गर्न सकेनन् भनेको है ओके त्यसो लाइक ब्रोकन प्रोमिसेसहरू चाहिँ अब नेक्स्ट लेट्स सी नाउ आफ्टर अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ दिस टेक्स्ट ओके वी हेभ सम क्वेसन्स ओके अब तपाईहरुले यो टेक्स्ट पढिसकेपछि यही टेक्स्ट कसलाई लेखेको होला David Neilman. Who is David Neilman? He is founder CEO of Airways. He wrote this apology to whom? To the customers, to the passengers. Okay. Okay. Next, you know the history of the company. What is the history of the company? The company was established can you calculate the year?
7 years.
7 years before, okay, when the mishap happened, okay, from that time it was established 7 years before, okay. This means JetBlue Airways had been serving passengers and building its reputation for 7 years at the time of this crisis. Okay. At the time of the crisis, it has been serving for 7 years. This means, okay, it has been serving for 7 years for the passengers. Next, main causes of chaos. You know what are the main causes? We have already discussed. Okay, chaos means again catastrophe. Okay, problems. Okay, what are the main causes? Wind rise system. Wind rise system. Okay, now.